Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up my favorite headset, the HTC Vive. Okay. For this we're going to need the HTC Vive headset, 2 controllers, 2 sensors, 1 virtual reality laptop and 2 light stands. Okay, let's start by plugging in the laptop to an outlet. Virtual reality is very demanding on the laptop, so you always need to make sure that it's connected to a power outlet. The HTC Vive is not connected directly to the laptop. It uses a little device called the link box. So you need to connect the link box to the laptop. It uses 1 HDMI port and 1 USB port, and you need to connect it to an outlet. Okay, so now that we've connected the link box to the laptop, we can connect the HTC Vive to the link box. As you can see, both ends have little orange lines, which indicates that you need to put them in here. So again, 1 HDMI, 1 USB port, and 1 power cable. And notice that the other side doesn't have the orange lines, so you know which cables go into which end. If you want to use a bigger screen than the screen of the laptop, you can connect the laptop to, for example, a TV like this one. Because the HDMI port is already used by the HTC Vive, you need to use the mini display port. There's a special cable which on one hand has a mini display port connector, and on the other hand an HDMI cable or connector that you can use on your TV. Okay, now let's set up the play area. For this you will need the 2 sensors, and you will need to put them on high, for example on light stands like this. Okay, so let's start. Today I'm going to set up an area of 3 by 3 meters, but you can go up to 5 by 5 if you want to. We're going to use 2 sensors, which I'm going to put in opposite sides in the corner. And we're going to do that by putting them on a light stand like this. I use these little connectors to connect the sensors because the thread on either side is uneven, so you need one of these connectors. So it screws on like this, real easy. Always screw it on first before you put them on high. I usually recommend putting them up to 2 meters for the best coverage of the play area. Each sensor is connected to a power outlet. It uses this adapter, which goes into the back like this. Now that the sensors are ready, I'm going to put the HTC Vive headset in the middle of the play area, and I'll turn on the controllers. Turning on the controllers is just as easy as pressing the lower buttons, holding them for a second. You'll hear a small beep and the lights will turn on. Now let's head to the laptop to continue. Now let's turn on the laptop so we can continue by setting up the play area. Let's continue on the laptop. Open Steam from your desktop, and within Steam, in the upper right corner, click VR. This opens up a little pop-up. Click Steam VR and choose Run Room Setup. Now choose Room Scale
We already cleared our area, so click Next. Okay, now we have to turn on our controllers if they turned off. Click Next, aim for the monitor and pull the trigger. And to calibrate the floor, put the controllers back on the floor and click Calibrate Floor. Now the last thing we have to do is mark our play area. So with one of the controllers, use the trigger and create the outlines for the play area. And that's all you need to do to set up the HTC Vive. Thanks for watching.